guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video today I am to the Kihim beach, which is in Maharashtra, located in Maharashtra exactly. So first time it has been started raining, so as well as y'all can see the weather around. So that's the sea. That is the sea. It's high tide, and the ferry which we came was Malwada Malwada ferry. This was the only ferry which was opened for us to come from M to M ferries. So the other boats were cancelled. So see guys, this is the weather in the name is of this resort. So the name of this resort is the Sea Castle Resort. So bye guys, have a good day, stay safe and stay healthy, and we'll meet you in the next video. Bye guys. Bye bye.